Hey, good morning everybody. Happy April 1st, April Fool's Day. Last night me and Michelle got a little stir crazy in the city and decided to come out and go camping at my favorite camping spot, Little Blair Valley. And the wildflowers out here are just gorgeous. They're like literally just blanking. I've never seen it so green out here. It's just gorgeous. And we got my favorite camping spot last night, and we got here right before the sun came down, so we were able to set up the tent in the daylight. And look at this anthill. Holy cow. That is a lot of black ants. Look, some of them got wings and stuff. I think those are the females that can fly. But yeah, so, you know, we just came out here, kind of see what the wildflowers were like in Little Blair Valley and Zabrago Desert. And had a it was a little bit of a rough night. I kind of just was like, rah, here's some sleeping mats, and threw some foam mats in the car and a comforter that we threw over the foam mats. But it was a pretty rough night's sleep. It was very hard surface to sleep on. I don't think Michelle or I had been in a tent in a long time. But yeah, I just got done taking the drone up for a flight, and I hope you enjoy the drone footage, guys. Michelle, do you feel more connected with your inner woman?
No.
Do you feel more natural?
Are you videotaping me? I'm naked.
You can't see anything. All you can see is a bush.
That's what she said.
Well, the bugs are definitely starting to come out here in the desert as the heat starts to warm up the ground. I guess they just start flying around. And we are only out here for one night, so it's actually time to pack up right now and head home. My least favorite part of camping, but figured I'd just show you guys what our campsite looked like real quick. Right here we have our very hard sleeping conditions. I think this is glamping. I don't know. I mean, we got 2 sleeping bags, a comforter, 2 little foam mats, 2 full-size pillows. I think it was glamping, although the floor was very, 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 very hard. I don't know. Next time I'll probably bring out the thermarests. We got all kinds of sleeping gear. I just was being lazy and quick and threw stuff in the car. But the flowers are sure gorgeous out here. Definitely beautiful looking out on this lake bed. And I mean, this is just so cool. As you can see here, all these little purple flowers and everything, these yellows and purples, that's all there is. All behind me here is just tons of green, purple, yellow. It is so gorgeous out here. I really think we're gonna have this crazy super bloom going on until at least May, you know. April showers bring May flowers, but we've been having showers all the way since February this year, and we're gonna be in for a beautiful spring.
Laguna, get down from there. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Savannah.
Oh my gosh.
Laguna's super happy right now running on this trail. She is just a nut. Yeah, but hey, everything's good in my neck of the woods. I hope everything's going great for everyone. First of the month, happy April Fool's Day. Hope to be making several more videos like this in the future, so stay tuned, guys. Subscribe. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell icon. It will give you a boring notification every time I post a video. You probably get 6 of them a day anyway, but it helps. And hey, I really appreciate you guys. I think we're above 80 subscribers now. Super cool. It's been a year since I started vlogging, and hey, maybe next year we can get to 200.